Hello everyone. Nikita, the founder of Amama jewelry brand, learned how to harness the power of social media during a pandemic. At some point when her business was struggling due to lack of funds, she realized that Instagram had just launched Reels that allow consumers to create short videos instead of pictures. She saw an opportunity and took advantage by styling her own jewelry that went viral and making it possible for consumers all around the globe to connect with her jewelry brand. Now, Amama has already seen celebrity and influencer support like Yami Gautam, Kangana Ranaut, Noora Fatehi and Masoom Meenawala. Guys, this is Megha Sharma, and social media has been a great way for me to promote my services as a freelance content and copywriter, all while having fun. But hey, I know it's not always easy to understand what social media has to do with your business and how you can use it to grow from a smaller business to larger corporation. But don't worry, in this video I want to show you how you can use the power of social media and why you should consider it as an integral part of your marketing strategy. So without any further ado, let's get started. The truth is, if you are not present on social media, your competitors will outshine you with a more attention-seeking post, and you might suppose that this static doesn't apply on your small business because these companies are only networking with big brands. Then you need to understand the fact that there is an emotional side that creates certain amount of difference in increasing the conversion rates. You know what is the best thing about social media? It is that it allows you to connect with your target audience. Not only you will be able to share your content with them, but also you can engage with your audience in real time as to create an effective dialogue that can lead to customer conversion for your business. Now let's understand the importance of social media marketing for your small business. Number first, you get to tell your story. Yes, social media is a great platform for building brands because exposure on these platforms often result in increased customer interest. Indeed, through social media posts, the people who may not know much about your brand, they might be inclined to read other content of yours, which could lead them into becoming your new followers. Number two, you can grow an audience with a small budget. Yes, social media marketing is one of the cost-effective and productive ways to grow your online presence. Thousands of companies have grown multi-million-dollar enterprises from social networking sites such as Facebook or Instagram without spending a single dime on digital advertisements. Now let me share a company that lives up to the power of social media. A well-known example would be of GoPro's marketing strategy. And if you think that GoPro's rise on social media was just an accident, then I'm here to tell you otherwise. The company's branding strategy has transformed the way marketing is done. With an ultimate user-created campaign, they are able to create marketing costs low without sacrificing the quality and number of customers because their users feels more involved with the product and by making use of its content for advertisements. Basically, people are using their on-camera mobiles and social media channels to be a brand ambassador for brands. And this is a classic example how you can build an audience with a small budget. Now the final and most important, it helps you to build relationship with your target audience. In an era where every consumer is more informed than ever before, it's very imperative for every entrepreneur to build healthy relationship with their followers. This ensures that they not only trust you as a business that will get them what they desire, but also they know who you are on much deeper level. As social media has made customer service very easier and quicker, every entrepreneur must tap into this golden opportunity by establishing themselves in these forms whenever possible through Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, and listen closely to all the queries so be able to deliver satisfaction at its best. So this is all about today's video. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have something more interesting to add, let me know in the comment section. And if you're looking for someone to create a perfect content strategy for your brand, then you can connect with me on LinkedIn and Instagram. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.